Hello YouTube, today we will be solving some WordPress error. So the exact error is there has been a critical error on your website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instruction. Just a bit of info on the error. These errors are usually caused by update on plugin and WordPress theme. So whenever there are updates on these themes or plugin, there's a chance that it may cause this error and crash your WordPress site. So you need to find the root cause of the issue and disable the plugin or theme. The latest WordPress version, it comes with some features to prevent your site from crashing due to this error. You will also receive an email that contains the detail of the error and also the recovery link for the admin page. You will need to manually debug your WordPress or disable your plugins or themes if you did not receive this email. So you will need to check the associated email on your admin account. The email will tell you where the error is caught. So as you can see here, it's most probably at the customized page of my WordPress theme. So I can roughly guess this error is caused by the themes. The error details are also displayed, so it says some kind of compile error in my themes. So I can quite confirm that the themes is causing the issue on the WordPress. So my first option is to disable this theme. You will also receive a recovery link in case you cannot access the admin panel of your WordPress. So we will proceed by clicking the recovery link to enter the recovery mode. Enter your admin username and password. Notice that you are on recovery mode. You can exit the recovery mode by clicking exit the mode. But first we need to solve our error. So as the error is telling me that my Super Ads Lite theme has some issues, I would proceed to change the theme for this WordPress. So I would try to revert to the basic theme to check if there are any errors on the WordPress. So I would proceed by clicking activating this theme. So I can confirm that the customized page is not triggering the error anymore. So depending on your error message, you may face plugin issues instead. To do this, you will need to disable your plugin that is causing the problem. I will also leave a tutorial on how to disable your plugin manually from cPanel in case you cannot access the WP admin page. I will then proceed to exit the recovery mode by clicking the exit mode button. Do give us a like and hit the subscribe button if the video has been informational. Thank you and have a nice day.